let's get painting, guys.
How's it going, everyone? So since fall is here, I decided to make a leaf spray painting for you guys. But before we go any further, I just want to quickly apologize for not posting a whole lot lately. I've been really busy with work lately and trying to make extra hours because I'm trying to invest in a printer to print out all of my artwork, so I don't have to spend a whole lot of money trying to order prints of my artwork online. Because it takes up a whole lot of time, it takes up a whole lot of money, etc., etc. If you want to help support me with all that mess, the best thing you can do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyways, back to the video. So today, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be making a leaf spray painting since it's fall, like I said in the beginning. It's going to be kind of like a silhouette spray painting a little bit, except it's going to be a leaf, not a superhero or not a person of any kind, just a leaf. I was on TikTok and I saw someone spray painting a leaf, but I forgot exactly what he made, but he made a leaf, and that just gave me the idea to do this. Basically, just take a leaf, create a landscape inside that leaf, and then make a crackle background after creating the leaf. So there we go. That's my idea for today. That's my spray painting I have for you guys. If you guys like it, make sure you leave this video a like button. If you guys want to get notified for all the videos that are coming up, make sure you click that notification bell. And one more thing, like I said before, if you want to help support my channel even further, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for your time today. Enjoy the video.
That's pretty freaking awesome.
Alright, that about does it for this video. If you guys like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys wish for me to spray paint you something or teach you guys how to make something, make sure you leave down in the comments below what you want me to make for you. The only thing I don't do are portraits, so keep that in mind. If you guys want to get notified for all the videos that are coming up, make sure you click that notification bell. And one more thing, if you guys want to help support my channel even further, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.